Heyo, duckies! Elgato were kind enough to send me some new products, which I'm super excited about. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and taking you through the Wave Mic Arm LP. The Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP has an all-metal design, which has a nice, sleek black finish. With the well-engineered parts the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP has, it gives many different possible adjustments whilst maintaining a low-profile, minimalistic aesthetic. If you like what you see in the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP and what it has to offer, you can grab it on Amazon for £90 or about $100 US. Please consider using the affiliate links below as they go a long way to supporting the channel. Let's just get into it. Put your rock in for the stone. Just before we get into the video, I do want to make a small disclaimer. Elgato are not sponsoring this video. They did send me out the product, but this is my unbiased opinion. Right, with that out of the way, let's crack on. The Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP is a mic arm with a twist. It works just like a traditional boom arm mic, but maintaining a low profile to keep it out of sight, but out of your way too. It comes with two cable channels that have magnetic covers to keep your pesky microphone cables clean and tidy. The ball head microphone attachment allows you to move your microphone into any angle. The mic arm has full 360 movability and the ability to raise and lower your microphone too. The total reach of the mic arm is over a huge 29 inches, which clears my whole desk with ease. Finally, the padded clamp on the mic arm LP is so sturdy and it can clear 2.4 inches. This made my self-built thick wooden desk look absolutely tiny. Let's crack on and unbox the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP. Oh, has this video been helping you out? Then please consider pressing that subscribe button and that like button, as it'll go a long way to supporting me, alright? Bye! Something I really like about all of the Elgato packaging is how much they are getting rid of plastic and moving to this full cardboard packaging. Kudos to you, Elgato. Upon opening, we are greeted by instructions with all the relevant information and plenty of diagrams showing you exactly what the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP is capable of. The first thing I pull out is the desk clamp. It is weighty and has this incredible mechanic at the bottom that can be pressed to release the screwing function, which will allow you to adjust the clamp even if you can't spin it a full 360 degrees. Picking up the actual mic arm shows just how well built it is. Again, being very weighty with this solid black metal design, both of the arms have their cable channels accessible via the metal plates that are magnetized to the mic arm. This has been well engineered to make sure when the covers are on, they sit completely flush. The multiple hinges are also built well and make the mic arm feel premium and built to last. It's super easy to assemble and disassemble too, so this is great for you guys with portable setups. The last thing in the box is a small packet which has an Allen key in it and two adapters for attaching various sizes of microphone. The design and functionality is why I love the Elgato Wave Mic Arm LP. It's a great addition for any setup. It especially fits in well if you are going for that minimalistic look. If you want to help support the content and feed this kid, then please consider joining Ko-fi or Patreon. You'll also get some banging perks. Isn't that right, Winston? Yeah! What works well for me is the ability to easily move the mic out of the way as I do a lot of editing at my desk. This gives me full access to my desk to put my MacBook on it while still having enough room for using my PC. I am using the Rode NT1A microphone and cradle and it seems to handle the weight of the mic just fine. If you have something heavier than around 500 grams, I would recommend trying before you buy, as the mic arm isn't counterweighted like a boom arm and is only hand tightened. Personally, the only change that I would make to the Wave Mic Arm LP is to just have stronger magnets to hold the cable cover down, as I sometimes have had it pop off when moving the mic arm around. Overall, Elgato, as always, have made a great product. It is definitely on their high-end price point, but in my opinion, the build quality is worth it. With how well built the mic arm LP is, it is definitely going to easily keep up with the pace of all you full-time content creators. If you are looking for a more traditional boom style mic arm, then Elgato have you covered with the Elgato mic arm. If I ever get my hands on one of these, I will definitely try it out and let you know my thoughts. Speaking of that, if there are any Elgato products you would like me to review, then please let me know in the comments below. Also, please let me know what you think to this style of video, as I've been trying to up my editing game a little bit, and I've kind of been enjoying it. You can show your appreciation by smashing that like button and that subscribe button, as it will help that darn algorithm. Thanks again to all these incredible people that help me make this content free for you. A huge special thanks go to Bongo, Fever Team, Marcos Vasquez, and Romulo Souza for being my top supporters. And be sure to check out my Elgato face cam review just here. Put your rock over the stone, and I'll see you in the next one.